Hello, my name is Dr. Nathan Nourian, and today I wanted to make a video to better help explain what dental implants are and what options you have, so that you can make the best informed decision for your mouth. So let's get started with a single implant. So if you're missing a tooth and you have the proper bone, what we can do is place an implant for you, and then you come back a few months later. We place the post, and then the crown on top. And what this is, it's like your own teeth. You can floss between it like normal. Now, if you have a broken tooth or a tooth with a large cavity on it that is no longer savable, what we can do is we can remove that tooth for you, place some bone grafting, and once that bone grafting fuses with the surrounding bone, we can place the implant followed by the post in the crown for you as well. So what happens when you're missing a tooth like this but don't have the proper bone support in order to place an implant? So what we can do is we can actually prepare your neighboring teeth and place a 3-unit fixed bridge in order to replace that missing tooth. So what happens is we use the neighboring teeth in order to support that missing tooth, and this becomes very stable. Now, what are your options if you're missing all of your teeth on top or bottom, or your teeth are no longer savable? So the first option, and the most affordable option, is actually the implant retained denture. And what this is if you already have a denture or you need a denture, what we can do is we can place 2 to 4 implants for you and actually use those implants in order to stabilize the denture so that it no longer moves. And this is a great option because you can actually take your denture in and out at night and clean it really well. So the second option, and the more well-known option, is what we like to call all-on-4 implants, or a full arch of fixed implants. So this is our top-of-the-line option for those patients who want fixed teeth that can't be removed. So what we do in this case is we actually place 4 to 6 implants in either the top or bottom arch, and then we place fixed teeth. So the only person that can actually remove these teeth is the dentist. This is a great option for those of you who want that natural smile back. I hope this video was able to help you see your options for replacing your missing teeth and giving you your confidence back so that you can see that beautiful smile again. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or schedule a free consultation, and we'll be happy to go over your treatment options with you, as well as answer all your questions so that you can make the best decision for your smile.